Hi, thank you so much for trusting the care of your loved one with Momentum at South Bay. We're extremely excited to get your loved one back to their prior level of function or even better so that they can return home safely and functionally. We take great pride in our efforts to make sure that everyone is safe from infectious diseases through all of our infection prevention policies. Once again, we hope that your loved one has a terrific stay with us, and we hope that you yourself stay safe.
When it comes to our patients, residents, and staff members, our commitment to safety is one of our top priorities. All staff and essential visitors are carefully screened prior to entering our facility. All individuals have their temperature taken and are required to certify health status questions. Our facility follows all testing guidelines set forth by the CDC as well as state and federal agencies. We have multiple testing options, from traditional laboratory tests to rapid on-site testing to quickly identify any potential infections. Our staff is tested per current Department of Health and CDC guidelines, and our patients are tested regularly beginning the day of admission. We have implemented an OSHA-approved training and fit testing program for all staff on proper PPE selection and use. Not only is our facility fully stocked, but we have an off-site warehouse completely stocked with PPE. We are fully prepared for any shortages. All patient rooms are terminally cleaned prior to admission. EPA-registered hospital-grade materials are used for disinfection. We have implemented enhanced infection control protocols to include around-the-clock high-touch surface cleaning. All equipment is sanitized before and after use. Soft materials in hard-to-reach areas are disinfected with our chemical fogger. In an arrangement with our local pharmacies, we have been administering COVID vaccines to our patients and staff members, taking back control of this disease with every vaccination. Safety is our #1 priority. We are here for our community.